What's up? Hello. It's Joe Nasty. It's Jimmy Neutron.
I am here.
Island Twist.
We
Port
are here.
St. Lucie. Okay? Shit. I got the address.
Is this stop number 2? Stop number 2.
Stop number 2 in Port St. Lucie. What's up, St. Lucie? We knew you had some Haitian restaurants. We didn't know you had 2. Huh?
Listen, I want to start off by saying, walked in there. There was an asshole.
White guy.
And he was being somewhat of a douche. Racism. Not going to go there. But we're there.
Racist.
And the lady saw that. And at the end, when this... I skipped a lot.
Yeah.
I did skip a lot, but I'm trying to hurry up. The point is, she helped out.
Can I tell them the story really quickly?
It's going to be a long story.
It's not, I promise.
You're going to make it so fast.
Haitian guy comes in, nice car, Dodge Charger, V8, Hemi.
Why did he have that?
It was a good question. I was asking why he wanted to pedal to the metal. He comes out, we see he has a cane, then we realize he has one leg. Other foot was a prosthetic. What do? Nice guys. Jimmy nice guy, Jonah nice guy.
Open the door.
Door's open, babes.
Yeah.
Open the door, guys come in. Perfect. Realize he's Haitian.
Now the asshole comes in. Hey, whose car is this? Fucking move it.
And he was being a dick because he was like, whose car's outside?
Yeah.
Can somebody move it? Like he was being overly nice, but right? He's like, okay. Then he tries to close the door, but the thing had the little stopper on it.
The point is, at the end of the day, the lady helped and brought the food out with him so he could get to his car.
The lady
really
inside.
Nice of her, man.
Yeah, the lady inside.
It's very homey feeling there.
We went out there
clean.
to have a conversation with the white guy. He was being a dickhead the whole time. Decided to try to move his truck anyway. It was a little ruckus out here, but we're safe. Hopefully he doesn't come back and blow our heads off.
It says PSL.
Yeah.
We're surrounded.
Red County.
I got oxtail, what I wanted initially at the first stop. Not going to say anything or be petty about it.
One of the very few restaurants that had everything we asked for when we asked for it. James said, you got oxtail? He said, yeah. She said, what kind of rice? He said, what?
Do you recall?
She said, yeah, I get in. I said, wait, what do you have for me? Do you have John John? She said, yep. Okay, it took a little while longer, but she said
I wasn't
faster
sure.
than that.
I thought,
it's cool. I asked her, I said, babes, do you have cabri? Tasso, what'd she say?
Yep.
Oh, wow. And although I don't want it, in here lies a salad that I won't eat.
It's very fresh.
It's fresh.
It looks really good. Take a look at the top pop.
Top pop.
That's good stuff right there, right?
Okay, double top pop. Mine's right there. Boom.
I'm going to go ahead and take a quick...
1 point off. I'm not a Fouchette guy. Need my damn key.
You're going to take a whole point off for that?
No, I'm
going to listen to the crisp here. Not too much of a crisp.
Nothing's ever going to be JoJo's Free Tie. Nothing's going to beat JoJo's Free Tie. Okay. I want to say un Kia, but I have a Fouchette. Anyway, let's go ahead and dip and dive in here. The place is nice. I like the colors in there. One thing about Island Twist here, where we at? I think we said we're at Island Twist, but we're at Island Twist. I gave the address. Did I give the address?
Yeah, you did.
Did I? Just in case I didn't give the address. 1366 Southwest Bayshore Boulevard, Port St. Lucie. Island Twist. That's where we are. It's real homey in there. This is because Port St. Lucie is not the biggest city, so it feels like everybody knows everybody here. And it was a good vibe. Again, the lady was nice. She helped the guy with one leg. She brought the food out to his car for him, so I really appreciate that. You know, it was dope. God damn. Oh wow. Wait a minute. Let me try this pickles. Hold on now. Let's get one bite of this here cloud beef. Oh, yeah, this is gonna be good.
That looks amazing.
It's gonna be. Oh yeah, that's a good tender piece right here. Hold on. Pickles dip. I got it. There you go. Right now. Here we go. Yep. Hold on.
Oh, you in there. While he's doing that, I'm going to take time to bust down how I feel. I don't eat the salad, but that's a good salad right there. Like I could tell that's fresh. Yeah. Bun was pretty good, crisp. The rice is good, but this isn't. It's like right. It's just right in the middle for me. Like it's not like too bad. It's not too good. You know, because I think good rice is the kind of rice that you can eat with or without sauce. This isn't the kind of rice that I would eat without sauce. I need my sauce with this rice. All right. The viand is amazing. Really good, man. And in the way it's presented, gotta give them some points for that. And they gave me a lot of viand. Like I could eat. This viand is enough for me to eat with this. This viand is enough for me to eat with the rice and then eat with another meal tomorrow. Because I already know this is high microwavable value.
Oh boy.
All right.
This is a 10 on the microwavable value.
With that being
Are you
said,
kidding me?
with that being said, man, and it's spicy, got a good tang to it, good texture. This sauce makes this rice, it just shoots through the roof. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and give this place a 6.9, a heavy 6.9. I mean a heavy one. Cause listen, my scale is pretty heavy. It's pretty, it's rigorous.
I don't think people gonna fuck with your scale.
All right,
Yeah.
it's a 6.9.
Wow.
A really heavy 6.9, bro. I'm gonna be honest and tough. Bro, do you know the D?
Simon
look,
Cowell?
look, there was one. There's one that's fully colored.
You see it?
Yeah.
Yo, what? Sorry. Side note. Port St. Lucie has. I'm gonna
fucking
record it right
rainbow.
now. Port St. Lucie has these
fucking Skittles.
These weird orange, blue, red. Look at it.
Skittles.
You guys are watching it right now as I'm recording.
Rainbow tasting.
It's a lizard that has an orange head, blue body, orange tail.
If it was on your shirt, it'd match. It'd disappear. You wouldn't even see it.
Wouldn't it?
The point. Look,
I don't want that near me.
the only reason why I'm tough on this is because you know how I am on rice, and this D. Cole is good, but it's in the middle for me because of what I had in Washington D.C. My God. So,
Giselle's.
hopefully you do a flashback on that.
Giselle.
This is the best rice D. Cole I've ever had. That shit was amazing. The greatest.
Giselle.
So yeah, this is a heavy 6.9, which isn't bad. It's very good, honestly. So 6.9. Boom.
Yeah. Wow. You're rough. The John John. Again, I'll give you one thing. You said the sauce. I think this John John does. This is the type of rice that needs sauce. But me personally, I'm a sauce guy. I don't like to eat rice dry. Period.
No, but that's how you know if the rice is
I
just that
don't
good.
care for rice to be dry. I want sauce on my rice all the time. So,
nigga, everybody wants sauce on their rice all the time. You know.
So, with that being said, the John John was good. I'm not a salad guy, but I did take a bite of the salad. You know, they're phasing the salad out. Thank God, Haitian restaurants. This is extremely tender goat. All right. Shout out to the people who love griot. Shout out to the people who love Shout out to the people who love turkey. I'm a goat guy, so I'm almost always gonna get goat so long as they have it. Shout out to these flies. The goat was incredible. The pickles were incredible. The sauce was good. This is really good food. This is the best food I've tasted north of Palm Beach County. Okay? And with that being said, the bun on, again, you guys know JoJo. JoJo's not a bun on guy unless you got the sweetness on it. This food is good. This is good shit. I'm going to give this food a solid 8.1. Again, the disparity between what you gave and what I gave here. Again, I don't know. You like what you like. This is 8.1. Good shit.
I know. Because here's the thing.
8.1.
You know tasso. You know good tasso. So I got to listen to you when you say, yo.
And you like it.
So, I know oxtail. Why? Because legume is one of my favorite meals. And oxtail is always in a legume.
Not always.
Most of the time.
Not most of the time either, Jimmy.
Nigga, you don't eat legume like I do.
That's fair.
The point is, oxtail is one of the main things they put in legume. I love D. Cole. I know D. Cole. I'm telling you, this is a 6.9, which is not bad.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
You're just
You're tripping.
6.9's okay.
6.9 is pretty good.
I gave it an 8.1. Jimmy gave it a 6.9. Good
I landed
shit.
at a 7.4.
I think the average is off. Island Twist, Port St. Lucie. Again, the address is 1366 Southwest Bayshore Boulevard, Port St. Lucie, Florida. Pull up and quick call test. You got the number ready?
Yeah.
It's not that busy in there right now. What's today? Wednesday. So should be a quick call. Let's see.
The wireless customer you called is not available at this time. Please try your call again later and announcement. 1. The wireless
Is that the-
customer you
Is that
called
you
is
sure that's
not
the that's
available.
the
Hold on,
that's
that
the
is-
make
yeah,
sure that's
that's
the
the-
number
yeah, that's the
because that's
number.
we don't
Is
want
that
to do
what
that to
somebody
them
said?
people. That's
905?
yeah, that's the
8850. Let me go look on the door. Yeah, that's the number. You guys, it's ooh. Wow. Let me, Jimmy.
that doesn't take away from the store.
That's the number on the door.
Yeah.
It's on the door, Jimmy.
Okay. All right. It's all right.
It's on the damn
people. Maybe they're in between contracts. Maybe
It's inside there too. It's on the thing on it.
no. Maybe they switch it up.
It's on a we need help. Call that again.
No, they just don't do that to them people. It's good. 6'9", not Takashi. All right.
That's funny. Come on, we got to give them maybe the service. Let's try that again.
Why are you doing that to them?
Wireless customer you called
Why
is
you
not
doing
available at this time. Please
You
try.
knew what the. You knew what was gonna happen. You knew that was gonna happen. You just want to embarrass people, and that's not even. Look, sometimes it's rough, huh? Sometimes one of the bills got to be sacrificed.
Look at these fucking lizards.
It's
Look
40.
at that one.
It's a lot of them.
Let me record this back again. Hold on. Let me
right.
just look at this. This is
Lizards,
blue and orange lizard.
monstrosities that they are.
Look at this. Look at this one.
No.
Look at this
It's
niggas.
faster than a motherfucker.